everyone, welcome to UCC. My name is Denis Galvin and I'm going to my final year of chemical physics this year. I've been asked to make this short little video about my experiences in college and any tips that I can give to you for getting started in college and getting settled in this year. Adjusting to college life and the workload can be very tough, especially in first year, and I found that myself too. But after a couple of weeks you do get used to the different pace and style of working, I promise. It's one of the best habits you can get into, and that I wish I had sooner, is making a start on problem sets earlier than the day before they're due. It sounds simple, but it can take a lot of stress off, especially later on if you can keep it up. It's easy to keep putting off something you have a week to do, but even if you get a little bit done earlier in the week, it can make life a lot easier. Obviously, going to your lectures and tutorials is very important, but a massive factor that has helped me through the years is working with my friends and other students, as opposed to just trying to do things on my own. I always found that I learned way more from working through a problem set or assignment with one or two other people than if I just tried to do it by myself. There are a few places in college for working in groups. For example, in the library, there's the creative zone on the ground floor, and then there's group study rooms that you can book. And then in the hub, there's even more space. For exam time, just like the Leaving Cert, I found exam papers to be a huge help in preparing for exams. Because in some modules you might cover a lot of different things, but looking at exam papers can help you focus in on what's more likely to come up. Apart from your own year group, there's another 3 years of people ahead of you who've all been through it before, and they're always happy to help out if you need to ask a question or need some advice. Probably the best way to get to know these people and to get to meet them is through societies. The main one we have here in the physics department is the Physics and Astrophysics Society. They're filled with great people and they're always running great events and going on trips, and I'm sure that they'd be delighted to have a lot of first year getting involved, especially this year. As well as your peers, of course, they're the lecturers, and they're there to help you too if you have any questions or worries. Some will have like specific office hours where they're always available for a certain module, or else you can always just email them if you want to. And then outside of physics, UCC has a club or society for absolutely anything you can imagine. I feel like getting involved in clubs and SOCs is the main thing that's recommended to every group of first years when they come in the door, but it's for a really good reason. It's such a great way to explore college life outside of the lecture hall and meet new people from different courses who might share like similar interests or a common goal. The Ultimate Frisbee Club in college has been a massive part of my college experience. I've met so many great people and some of my best friends and gone on so many great trips. So if I was to leave you with anything from this video, it would be definitely worth finding something you're interested in, getting out there and getting involved.